Archaeologists in Denmark have uncovered over 50 well-preserved Viking skeletons, offering a glimpse into the everyday lives of Vikings. The skeletons were discovered during renovations to the electrical grid in Asum. Archaeologists had no idea what they'd find beneath the surface, saying the discovery was a complete surprise and truly unusual for so many well-preserved skeletons to be found at once. These remains offer a rare chance for DNA analysis that could reveal the Vikings' health, diet, origins, and even family connections.
The skeletons are so amazing. They are so well preserved. There are 5 fingers, 5 toes, and that just opens up a whole new set of possibilities for discoveries. Maybe even things we didn't know we wanted to know.
One fascinating discovery was the skeleton of a woman buried in a Viking wagon, and alongside her, researchers found artifacts like a necklace made of glass beads, an iron key, a knife, and a small shard of glass, possibly an amulet. Another grave contained a bronze brooch, a red glass bead, and a piece of rock crystal imported from Norway. These grave goods suggest that many of those buried were wealthy and connected to extensive trade networks. Researchers believe this discovery could reshape our understanding of Viking settlements and their connections to early development in Denmark. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Jack Almer.